How to activate Airalo Esim on Android. Now, the very first thing that you have to do first is just to make sure that your phone supported with eSIM feature. Now head over to your phone settings and just go directly to about phone, and in there you should be able to find this specific feature if your phone has this kind of feature that operates an eSIM. Now once you made sure that your phone operates an eSIM, what you want to do next is to either download the Airalo app or subscribe or purchase this feature from their official website, which is going to be the airalo.com. Now in here you have to decide whether if it's going to be for local, regional, or global eSIMs. This categories has its own specific prices. You'll have to double check them out first for you to be able to know if your specific country that you're going in is going to be qualified for Iralo. The next thing you do in activating it is very simple. Now download the app, choose your destination and package, install your eSIM. Once you have successfully installed it, it will automatically update or activate by itself, and you should be able to receive an SMS or via your email address. And that's it. That's how you activate Airalo eSIM on Android.